Hi, yesterday we learned about the model. Sorry, yesterday we learned about the view and template. Today we are going to talk. I'm going to talk about the model. Before going to the what is the model, we will understand the definition of the model. So, as I said, Django is a MVT architecture. So what is MVT? MVT is nothing but M is nothing but model, V nothing but view, and T nothing but template. So yesterday we learned about the view and template, and today we are going to learn about the model. Here, the definition. The definition it says that MVT stands for Model View Template, which is the architectural pattern used in Django web application development. Here's a breakdown of each component. Model is where you define the structure of your data model in Django or Python classes that represent database tables. They define fields and behavior of data you are storing. Django's ORM object relational mapper helps you to interact with the database using the models without writing SQL queries. So this is the where the word important. Without writing SQL queries, we are implementing the models. So and what is the view? Views are Python functions or classes that receive web requests and return web responses. In Django, views are responsible for processing your input, interacting with the models to fetch or manipulate data, and then rendering the appropriate templates to generate HTML responses. So models where the it will render the HTML HTML what you call response. So that is where views are important. Views are uh, that is the task for views. And when we go to templates are HTML files and files that define the presentation layer of your web application. They contain placeholders and and template tags and Django's template engine process to dynamically generate the final HTML sent to the client's browser. Templates can include logic using template tags and filters, making it easy to create dynamic and reusable HTML content. In summary, MVT separates the concerns of data, where model, that is data is nothing but model, logic is nothing but view, and presentation is nothing but template. In Django application, prompting a clean and organized structure for building web applications. So here we are separating each and everything: data layer, presentation layer, and logical layer. As we said, data layer is nothing but model, logic layer is nothing but view, presentation layer nothing but templates. So yesterday we seen logics, we wrote some logic in a view.py. Then that we are rendering that information in HTML using the templates. That is where presentation layer we see. Today we are going to data layer, that is model. So this is the example of that. So example to illustrate the MVT pattern to in Django web application development. So here, if you see model, this is the model where the name is equal to, this is the subclass of product is the subclass of models dot model where we are inheriting this. So when name is equal to models dot character field max length is 255. See, we declared one variable that is a name. The name we are giving the character field where that is a, we are saying that this is the character field. Then this max length is 225. Then price models is a decimal field where we are. This is a decimal field where we are given the max digits 10, decimal points places 2. So we are giving that particular decimal values point to the precision values are 2, and the decimal values are 10. Max digits are 10. So this is where we are given the price. Description where models dot text field. Just we are given the description field. This is a text field. Self dot. This is where this inbuilt in underscore and str underscore underscore. It is inbuilt in method where we are returning the name of that name using this particular inbuilt-in method. That is the model. So in a model, what we are doing, we are creating one table. The table name is product, and product this whatever the class name we define, that is a table name where we declare some fields here. Before to do that, we need to inherit the particular class, that is a model class, models class. Okay, then view. When come to the view, we first yesterday we seen. First, we need to import that particular models and that models class. Then, when you are products.model.objects, it will give all the objects it will store, and rendering products where this is the template name where we are creating one HTML file. Then we are passing the array of this particular products. So this is the where this products is the variable that we are creating a variable here. Products. Yeah, here the products is the here in a template. We are creating the template products underscore list.html is the template, and we are creating the for loop to iterate all the products. This is the products, product price, product name, and product price, and we are closing the end for loop. So this is the where a little bit it looks like Python, but some syntax are different. Some syntax it is not. We need to write some syntax. It is not straightforward to Python. We see to end of that particular for loop, here is end for loop. Otherwise, you will throw error. That is where this is a template. So I hope you understood. So first we are creating the model. The model it contains the table and view where we are storing. I mean this is where we are talking about the database query. This is the database query. This is nothing but select star from products. That is the table name. This is the syntax for that. Then it will store all the values in that. Then we are sending that values using the render. Then the values we are pasting, we are presenting in a template saying that this is the products we are doing for loop. This is the where this is the not the this is the Python. It looks like Python. Some difference are there. Like we are not using the end for, but here we need to use end for here. That is the only difference. That is about the model, view, and template. So as we seen, model, we define the product model with fields like name, price, and description. Yeah, you have seen that. View, the product list. Here, the product list is there. Product list. View fetches all products from the database using, this is the database query we are using. I mean, yeah, in a Python code, we are using this type of the syntaxes to fetch and to do the database operations. We are using this type of the Python code and pass them to the template for rendering. So here we are passing that to rendering rendering that to HTML template. The product underscore list dot HTML template displays a list of products using a for loop to iterate our the products passed from the view. Yeah, we are passing that particular data to the template. This structure adheres to the MVT pattern in Django, where models define data, view, find, logic, and data process, and templates handle presentation and rendering. That is about the MVT. MVT MVT, I mean, there is mainly three things. One is model, one is view, one is template. That's about. And remaining, these things are we need to configure in once you created any model, we need to register that model. This is the syntax. And These things are already, we need to pass the URL pattern for the app project and main project. We need to pass this stuff, the information to that. And to migrate the database, we need to use this command. And to migrate a particular app, so we need to use this one. And again, we need to do this thing. And later, we need to create super user. In a super user, we see the database things will be stored, and we need to this is a very this different. But up to here, we are working now. We are creating super user. So in this example, I'm using the same example. Whatever the example here, I'm creating with the same. So what I will do, I will go here. I will go here and 1 second. I will go here. So what I will do, I will Python. Yesterday I have created one folder here. Folder. Workspace. So I'm creating again another application that is uh, the detail. Suppose I'm creating the application name is called my application is the name is called start Django. First of all, I need to use this command. So first of all, I need to move to what you call environment, virtual environment, Honda web env. So it is saying that there is no web env. So what we need to do, we need to create that env file. So for the conda, what are the steps we have? Go to here and are given already virtual environment creation. So use these commands. My create directly you can create this Conda Django. I'm creating again. No. So what we'll do, it is saying that already my env is there. So what we'll do, we will go there. Conda activate. I think yesterday I created env. So this is this virtual environment is there. Then we need to go. We need to create a one CRM, I mean, retail application. What we will do, we'll copy, paste, and project name is that retail and retail project project project. Under that, see retail project. If you see DAR, he's there. So where we need to create the our own project, that is uh, start project. We need to create. So what project I need to go? So pro use uh, product product underscore app. This is my app name. So once I created here, the things are available. So what we will do, we will go to here, open CMD, and on the CMD COD code dot, the retail is there, and the product app is there, and this thing is there. So in order to tell to main project, I need to go settings, where I need to tell that installation for pack installation apps, that is product app pro du pro prod du ct underscore app. This is the product app where I created. And also here, first thing is I need to create some, here I will create the as folder, that is temp LATS, the temp, LA, templates, LA, templates. We need to create a templates. So already we learn about the TEMP, temp, LADES, templates. On that, I need to create a folder. Say that, what is that? Product app, pro, product, product DU, product underscore app. Another product app, we have a folder called what folder we created template. First tab there, we created a one folder saying that one file, that is a HTML file, that is product list. Say product. What is the list? What is the HTML file? That is, what is the HTML file we created there? That is MVT. So MVT, there is a product list file. So this is the product list HTML file. Copy this and paste this product list. Then now you can copy HTML. There, I directly will copy some code somewhere from here. So this is the pro doc products page. So we are going to write something here, that is products list page. Then, so in order to, we need to specify that where the templates are. Like, go to settings, then settings, then here where is that? Copy this thing like this syntax. Go to template here, copy this. Say that this is where templates, spelling TEMP, temp, LATES templates, where I created a templates. That is the thing. And so suppose you want to, we can create a static files also there. So create a static files, not here. And that is, create the static. So static files, like what are the static files already we've seen? Like, uh, what is the CSS files, and what you call JavaScript files, and also images. Image, yes, images. So these are the static files. Assume that I have the one static file, say STYL style dot CSS. Here, if I mention the h1 dot col or color colon something, some color. So what is this dot right? H1, the color. But there is no dot here. So the color name is this thing, and images. You can copy some images. So I have copied one image we can you can save this something to here, paste it here. So the same image where first thing is that we have this file, and to load the static files into that, first we need to go here, detail project settings. There is a this thing is there, right? This go to this documentation. What they're saying, go go to here the documentation saying this is the a static directory. Copy this line, paste it here. So where the my static data is there. So this thing is important. We need to save this file and go to again go to viewer uh, product page where we given a no, not the product page, retail project settings. We specified the static directories here and templates here, retail app, product app. We specified, yeah, that's it. And when come to here, we need to load the what we called we need to load something like template. Suppose assume that I have the give me a second, not somewhere. So we need to use the what you call this tag where static data is there. Go to project notes something I guess somewhere I go. Where so here we need to use the static load static where and colon and already load static files static. Then we need to specify the where under the suppose we need to specify where this link that is style sheet and that specify this thing that take. So my static files are there here under the under the product under the this thing CSS style. So this the CSS colon st style style dot css. This is the location where CSS and the style CSS. So once we loaded that, we can see H1. I'm saying hello, hello. So here, I'm loading the image here. Now, under the image we just copy pasted here. That is also static file that we need to pass the, again, we need to pass the static, 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 where the image is there. It is under image, images, images slash. So what is the image name? Something. Oh, it is. So it's not image. I will copy some other image. uh, logo something, logo something. I need a one image. Just I'm going there. I will save as this is pet. That's fine. I'm saving this and I'm going to this particular download folder. I'm copying download and there is the here. I'm pasting here. So I'm delete this thing. I will use this rename JPEG file. Go to here and paste it here. So space, give the space. So that is where you can give text something and this is where we loaded one. Just we'll check that how that it is working. CD detail and Python Python manage run server. If anything is broken, it's working. Copy this. Go to browser. Paste it here. So under that, what the okay, we need to give the URL patterns also. So what we need to to go to your project. There is a create a one file saying that it is specific to my app. So give the app.url and also in the retail project this thing is there, right? Just copy this thing and follow this thing. Go to here URL and paste it here and also copy this thing, paste it here and change the whatever you required. So here my what I will go here product pro use it product. So here we need to import the product. So we need to import the product. What's the product name? So same thing what we did here. We imported the uh, we also we need to pass here. It is a string. Sorry, it's a string. So the string here. So that we need to pass. So we need to use one another thing is that we need to include. Then we need to pass include under the include pass this text. So here product URL be small here product underscore app URLs where we pass this thing. And I think this admin we not required now. It is there under app, right? We are not required. So that is there we are including same thing we need to mention here. Whatever we declared here, we need to tell that my parent this thing. So this is my app URLs. No, something. So these things we need to, oh, sorry, don't confuse here. The product. So we can please remove this thing. So I'm closing this one again. I'm opening this URL and go to. So here, what I will do here, first of all, I need to import the from the Django dot URLs import path. So after that, we need to import the views from star dot views. What are there? This current repository, that is views. Vi, what is this? Not import, yes, views. So then URL patterns patterns equal to this. So there is a path in that path. Here I'm not passing anything, but I'm giving this thing view views dot. What is the we need to pass that particular this thing, that is pro the product comma name equal to product. So that's the URL. Yeah. So here the product, we need to write the products here. So go to view, in the view. So I'm going to write the product. So what products I need? So here def pro products. So whatever the name here, pro products. Whatever the name we given here, the name should match here. The products. So products where I'm giving some information. So we will do one thing here. We will create one model before coming here. First, we need to create a model. So in order to do that model, we have the model.py where I have the I mean the same example which is there, right? We have given this is the first we need to create a model. Just I will use the same code to write a model. So what I need to do? First, I need to import the DB. It's there already. It's there. Then class product. Stop this class product dot everywhere I will use the product instead of I will not use any products. So I will use the product here. To meet the same name convention, I will use the product. Product. First thing in name field, that is where that is models or dot char field, char char field. So that is the max max length equal to 255 and price pric price equal to model dot decimal is the decimal field. So we need to pass the decimal. So max digits equal to 100 comma decimal decimal places 2, which is 2, and also description TIO description equal to models dot text field text is the text field I'm creating. So then I'm returning that def underscore str underscore where colon return self dot name self dot name. This self we need to pass here. SELF self dot name. So that's where we created a product. Product one is the model. This is the where we created three variables, and this then go to view. So in the view, we need to import the models from dot model import product. We imported that, and product. I'm giving product list. Product list. We need to pass the request. So then, what is the product? Products is equal to product dot object or object. So JCT objects dot all products equal to product dot objects of JCTS all. Then return render so request comma my where is the my path is here. This is the path. So I need to pass the path here under the product app. So this is the path here. I'm reading this thing, comma. I need to pass dictionary. That is the products. This is the string. Products colon product is the return statement. So then we created this. Then go to view. View is over. Then go to template. And the template, this static files are okay. We will show this static file, and also we will show some this. I will show this as a all the products H1 pro dot products pro product list. So that is I'm giving as this is my assume that this is my title. This product list is my title. List is my title, and product where products, that is H1 pro products. Here we need to write the for loop UL. So under the UL there is a few so UL there we need to use the for loop for use the for loop for product in where is that model where is the view. This is the products. Go to this list, and there li another li. There is two things internal. We need to pass this thing. So what is the product name? First product dot name. You need to pass that, comma the product price, which is we are representing in a dollar. dollars. So product dot price. Here PIC price. So this is the variable declaration. See, if you using the two curly braces, so this is the variable declaration. So this is a template tag declaration when you're using the percentile sign. So that is the difference. So after this, we need to end the for loop. What I need to do? So come here again, use the percentile end for. This is the percentile end for. Once we created this thing, we need to register in a model. Close all these things, then we need to register in a this thing model page, model, model, not the model, sorry, admin page. Admin, go to admin, registration the models. What is the admin dot site dot reg register and what is the product name? It is what is the that is a product, right? Pro DUCT product. What is the where is the product? Under the RAM dot model where import product. This is where we imported. So we registered the model in the admin page. We'll say I will tell that give me 1 second. Then app URL app URL where app we can use the okay. I can so what I will do, I will use the products. Sorry, not here. I will use the products PRODUCTS colon products then view where the product under that there is a list is there. This is the list. This is the products. I'm using just products. That's it. This is the product listed. So then in a project URL, what we specified, go to project. There is a URL where I have given. So here we need to use the admin. Sorry, include the path, comma. First, I'm passing the comma. Sorry, include where what I need to include. I need to use this particular URLs. So under the product, what is the app name? Product product dot URLs. So this is the URLs. So the URL. So I have the product list, and also I can show that where I can give the home page also like so I'm not giving anything here. This index page where I can pass the index. This is the home page I'm creating now. Index, comma, we need to use here and also copy this, paste this one. The name is rename it as a index. So close this and I'm not that is this is not the product page, this is the index page. Or else home page or else products page something page. So here I'm passing the hello world. This is the static file I'm loading, and also this is for this thing, and also, so I specified the products URL. Yeah, the URL first homepage is this thing, then products where, so that is about it. And then we change the admin page. Then we need to run the migration. So first use the migration command. So there is a problem is there, what it's saying, type object is not iterable. What is that? Go view. So we given an object is there, right? Here we need to, why it is giving error here, I'm not sure. Type objects. Again, we need to run this. I think you are seeing my screen. So once we, so I forgot to write this index. So I wrote the index page where it is in lies into the products app. So same thing I specified in the URLs. So in the URLs, so views dot index, the index name and product list and views. So once I ran this migration command, so which is this migration command, this will give this apply all migration admin author and this thing. So it will apply the migration related information, this thing functionality. Then we need to run the once you run this one, we need to make sure that this particular app having the we need to run this command. So sorry, what command we need to write? Python manage.py dot make migration migrations product pro, you use it product underscore app, which is our app product app. So my make migrations, enter this one, it will apply the migrations to this one. Then again you can run this one, migrate. Now the migrated uh, app. So now if you see, we need to create the super user. The command is like this. Use the super user command. So super user is, suppose I'm using the admin, my, and password is root. So sorry, email is admin @yahoo.com, and root is password. Root is password. Password validation is creating any user. Password is too short. Okay. Bypass password validation, create a user anyway. No, I want to password or root @123 something. Root @123. We need to give, yeah, password is created successfully. Then run the server, Python manage dot run server, enter, and copy this thing. Again, go here, some browser, any browser, copy it. It is here. So here it is displaying hello world and testware, which is our default page, where index page. So index page what we declared. So index page, go to static, sorry, go to template, there is index page is there, right? The content what we given here, it is displaying. So the image, if you see this image also, so hello world and text is the same, but image. image is not displaying. So what we need to do here, go to load.index, which is correct. 1 second, I'm checking.
Recording progress.
Now I will run this. Manage Python, manage py.server, run server. So yeah, copy this here. I mean this website. Go to browser, paste that URL. So you can see hello world Django, which is in the index page. So I want to products page also. Products page. So products page. So in the products page, we don't have the data. So we need to, first of all, we need to log into the admin. So in admin, so what is the admin? What I admin I given admin password is root @123. So once I ran that, see this products is created because we did migration and make migrations to command set. So that's what it is created. Click on that. There is a table where click on add product. Though we created the name as like a name field, price field, and text description field. Whatever we given in a model that is displaying here. What I'm going to say that here we given a model. Go to model where we specified the name, price, description, right? So the same thing is appearing. So the name is product name is uh, laptop, and price is assume that uh, six 6,000 something, and test something descriptions. Then when I add this, the laptop is added. So go to your browser. Go to your browser. The like yeah, products page. Products. Type here. See this laptop price is 6,000. So if you whatever the add what are the data is added here admin page products. So I will add the another product mobile. The mobile price is 4,500, and test is this one. So when I see this, so again go to product. So the data is appeared here. If you see this data, laptop price is this thing, and so whatever the data we are using directly, we are using the we are interacting with the database. We are retrieving the database value. How we when what happening here? We whatever the data we given commands we given here, the command in this command where in the view I have given I'm asking to display all the values, and in this product list, I'm asking to display this thing. If you want to description also, so I can pass the description colon in this. I can pass the pro pro product dot description product dot description, where we can see the product description also. I think it is not refreshed, but we will see. Yeah. Product description also display here, test. So that's what uh, the database, what we did today, we worked on model. In the model, we wrote some logic. So we first we created the model which is we three fields are there, name, price, description. And then we went to view. In the view, we say that this is the all the data we required. We pass that data in a what you call in a dictionary. We went to product list, that is a template. There we iterated that product, and we displayed the content here. So in order to do that, we maintain certain things. So here first we went to we did product migration. So what commands we ran that before that we ran these some commands. So here the to migrate to the database, we use the command saying that this is the migration command, Python migration. Then after that, we migrated our app. Then we migrated. Then we created a super user. That's the thing we did. So that is about this example. So here we are adding the data. If we want to add the data saying that I need to, I mean, here we need to add a junk, I mean, no, fake data. So what I need to do is here. So here in this list, we are, I mean, generally we are adding the data. So, but I want to add fake data. So suppose I will install install FACK fake. What is that class name which this is the faker class we need to install faker. So once you install the faker, uh, FACK, yeah, directly you can copy paste this faker, copy this, paste it here, FACK, okay. So, faker, yeah, already it is installed. Then what we'll do, you can directly copy paste this particular code I will show to you. And what is that code to here? I will copy paste the code. What is the code here? So I will copy paste here. So this is rename dot products. The products, go to here. Here I already given some code to configure. Copy this code, copy this, and go to here, paste it here. So what is our this is our project is retail project, right? The retail project. This is the retail project, and here it's a retail product product models. There is a product is there, and list is completed. Then here populate, then the fake name, description, same thing. No need to worry. And this thing here, is there any things are there? Product we have product in the so those things are not there. So what we did, I mean, this directly you can use this particular file. We need to run this file. So Python populate where it is directly okay. It is under populate DAR. It is there at populate. So what we'll do, Python EOP pop run this thing. So now go to your again run the server. Go to your local host admin page. So here PC products. So products are added here. I mean, when we ran this earlier, I added on laptop and this thing. Now a lot of information is added. So now go to your products page. See this much data we generated using this file. So we can do fake data also here. We can generate the fake data also here. So that is, I mean, here today we learn about the model, how to create a model, how to retrieve data from the database. So we are not we are not writing any SQL queries. We are writing the Python code to fetch the data from the database and all the operations we did today. And yeah, if you have any questions, please comment, or else I'm stopping here. We will connect tomorrow and we will discuss further concepts. Thank you for the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.